Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Apple ID profile picture not showing after iOS 27 update on iPhone. So if you have recently updated your iPhone to the latest iOS 27 and the profile picture of your Apple ID is suddenly disappear, then you are not the only one facing this problem. Major iOS updates rebuild a lot of system files and restart several background services. So it's quite common for iCloud data to take some time before everything appear normally again. In most cases, your Apple profile picture is still linking to your Apple ID, but your iPhone has not finished syncing it yet. So let's begin through some of the fixes that you can try. So to start with, don't make any changes immediately after updating. Instead, connect your iPhone to the stable Wi-Fi network and leave it connected for a while because iOS often continues syncing data in background even after the update has finished installing. Now, if your profile picture is still has not updating, restart your iPhone once. A restart can complete pending background process that were interrupted during your Apple ID information. But if you are still seeing a blank profile picture, open system settings and tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Now stay on this page for a few moments to give your iPhone time to reconnect with Apple service and check whether the profile picture loads automatically. If that does not help either, try signing out your Apple ID and signing back in. To do that, scroll down all the way to Apple account page and here click on the sign out button. After that, choose the option sign out but don't erase and then follow the on-screen instruction to sign out with your Apple ID. After that, signing back in, this refreshes your Apple account information and often resolves syncing issue introduced after a major iOS update. And one last thing I'd recommend checking is whether Apple has already released another iOS 27 update. It's very common for Apple to roll out a smaller update shortly after a major release to fix bugs reported by users. So go to the main settings page on your iPhone and then scroll a bit and click on General. After that, go to software update and check if a newer version of iOS 27 is available. If it is available, install it and then check your profile picture again. And that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.